guys, welcome back to Savage Off-Road. So today I am back from China and we are back to R&D on the BYD Shark. So what are we doing today? So we're going to be test fitting our flares. Now everyone saw the last video that we were test fitting the flares. That was a 3D printed sample. So this is the correct material that the flares are going to be made out of. Okay, so let's have a quick look at it. So we've just test fitted this one here. So it's a full ABS. So there's literally, it won't crack. Look at that flex, all right? So that's how it flexes. There's no issues with cracking. Now this isn't the texture it's going to be finished as. It's going to be replicated. We've got a factory BYD Shark behind me here. It's going to look identical to this pattern here. So we're making sure that it's identical to this pattern here. We've done a poll online and everyone has voted that it's matching. And I see why, because everything on the car is going to be matching. It's going to match this. It's going to match this down here. And if you've got the factory parts as well, the bumper bar, it'll also match that. So this one here is the widened version. So that's how wide it looks. So this is the factory one. All right. So that's the pump you get on a factory flare. All right, and that's how it looks with obviously a factory wheel. Look how aggressive that looks. Way more aggressive. I've got Oleg doing the back one here, just test fitting the back as well. The back comes as a two-piece, so you'll get this and this down here. So we'll replace both these panels. So these panels here, these are all from before, but this is the 3D printed version. So it's very brittle plastic, okay? Not like this. This is what it's gonna be made out of. All right, let's have a quick look, okay? No more 3D printing. This is essentially how the molding we've made is going to come out like, but it's going to be textured finish, okay? So let's have a look at how pliable it is. So look at this. So very flexible, really good. So you won't have any issues if you go bush bashing with them cracking or snapping or getting damaged. The front is going to come in two pieces. You're going to get the top section and you're going to get the bottom section. So this is the bottom section here. Hey guys, so I thought I'd just bring down the cars into the sunlight on this nice, beautiful grass field. Now, let's have a look. So we've just fitted the flares. So these here, I've done measurements. When I'm measuring from here to here, it's 30 mil wider. Not only is it 30 mil wider in this section here, also down here, it is also 30 mil wider. Now you can definitely see the difference between the standard flares and the aftermarket flares. However, just remember, these are the prototypes, so they're going to be in a textured finish just like this here, all right? But this is how they fit, solid as. It's actually probably better than OEM in terms of like the flexibility and pliability on them. They're really quite flexible, okay? You shouldn't have any issues with braking. So, good quality construction. It's obviously going to have this textured finish, but I just thought I'd bring it out into the light and show you the difference between how it looks on a stock car versus a modified car. Now these cars are pretty much replica. The only difference between these two is this has been lifted by us. It's got our wheels, ROH wheels on it. So big tires on it. This is all standard suspension and standard wheels and tires. The roof racks are identical. So we've got the same roof racks on it, the same canopy on it. The only key differences are wheels and tires. Obviously the side step, this running board is our one. You can order this on our website. It's not plastic, okay, so it is a lot stronger than the factory one. It is still mounted to the cab, so it is not a true rock slider. However, it'll hold up a lot better than the factory plastic side step. Obviously the plastic side step one will flex. This one here will not move. This customer's also gone for our hoopless bull bar, just like on mine. Obviously the key difference is my car's a lot bigger and higher than his, but I think it still looks pretty good. He might do a wheel and tire package next, there may be a lift, but what do you guys reckon? Does that look pretty good? There's a massive difference between with the flares and without the flares. The pumped guards look so much bigger on my car. It gives it that sort of like Raptor, big fat pumped guard look, and I think it looks quite tough. I might even have to go more aggressive wheel on this, just to sort of get it, you know, looking a bit more fat to fill the guards. But this is quite good. This offset here is actually in line with the flares. I like it a little bit more aggressive, a little bit of poke. I know it is borderline of being illegal, but it looks cool. But anyway, what do you guys think? That's we just finished this build on this customer's car. It looks pretty cool. It's pretty much a replica of mine. But if you want to order these flares, you can grab them at savagetech.com.au. There has been a slight delay on them. These just got air freighted to me and arrived yesterday. I've just got back from China and I've test fitted them, and I've called our factory and said, go to full production. So they are going into full production, and they're going to get them done in 5 days. They're starting it on May the 5th. They're going to be finished by the 10th of May. Then it's going to go to our shipping agent and get shipped out of China over to Australia. So you should be looking at around 4 to 5 weeks from May the 10th, roughly. Okay, you're probably looking about 5 weeks, roughly, give or take an extra week. They might come earlier, hopefully they do, but in case there's any delay in transport, just bear in mind about that. We've got 100 sets coming in our first batch. We've already probably sold around 40 units, I think probably maybe more, I haven't checked the figures. So get in there if you want to order them. They're very, very close to coming out now. When you watch this video, you might only have 2 weeks to wait. So just keep an eye on our website. They should be here by sort of June. Late June, they'll definitely be here in stock, ready to go. And tell me what you guys think. Do you think that looks tough? Anyway, I hope you guys liked the video. It's just a basic video on the flare rundown and this car build we just did. So anyway, please like and subscribe. Peace out, have a good one, and catch you later.